Today is the science fair!
You've worked really hard for this day.
We can't wait to see your project.
Wait, where is my backpack? Isn't it in your room? No. I looked everywhere.
Stay calm, Maya.
We'll help you find it.
The project is in that backpack. I looked under the bed.
Nothing in the closet.
It's really gone. Look! A blue ribbon. That's from my backpack.
Then we are the right track.
Lucky found something.
Let's go after him.
The door of the shed is open.
I'll go in and look.
Is my backpack there?
No, nothing.
We looked all over.
Don't throw in the towel yet.
We've still got time.
What are all you people doing outside?
My backpack has been stolen.
I've maybe seen something. Black Cat been holding something colorful.
A cat nabbed a backpack?
Strange, but let's check.
Look around the benches.
I'll go check the playground. I'm gonna check under the trees. Looks like rain.
Rain is on its way.
All my work will be for nothing. Where did you get that notebook? By the old bridge.
Thank you for letting us know.
It's starting to rain.
Look at these bushes.
I just spotted something blue. Is that my backpack?
It's not the book, it's just the cover.
Oh no. He's digging near that tree. Maybe something's buried there.
Check inside.
Oh no! My project is missing!
Don't worry. We can fix this.
Let's work together.
I was taking photos yesterday. Really?
Then let's rebuild it. Cut the paper here.
I'll paste this part.
Great job, Maya.
Thank you, ma'am. You made it on time.
Maya, I came across this folder.
My science folder.
That's wonderful.
We didn't come in first.
Are you sad?
No, my family helped me, and Lucky solved the mystery.